Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space C colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command C colon and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space C colon / and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command, type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully, type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command, type md space backup1 then hit enter. Now execute this command carefully, type in copy space ** space backup1 then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now execute this command, type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space C colon / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command, type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space C colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space C colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command, type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space C colon / and hit enter. Type attrib C colon /boot /bcd -h -r-s and hit enter. Type in ren C colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.